So this is how you maintenance the bursting head without ever having to take it apart. The head will come to you like this. When you're getting ready to do your job, pull the handle out. Pull the handle out. Then you would be inserting your cable. Pretend that that's your cable and you're getting ready to do your burst. Tighten up your cable with this tool here. Just kind of get it kind of as snug as you can. And this is the key right here. After that is done, take your grease gun, put it right in that grease fitting there. See that grease fitting? Fill it full of grease until it comes out the front. And after you see it coming through the front like that, you're done. Then you can hook up your pipe and your duct puller. And then you can proceed to do your burst job. Once the job is done, you're going to disconnect there. And you can pull on the cable and pull the head up out of the pit. And once it's out of the pit, you're simply going to repeat the process. So you're going to loosen it up. Pull your cable out. And then you'll be reinstalling your handle. Just like that. Tighten your handle back up in here. Hit it with the grease again until it comes out the front. And now it's ready to be pressure washed. So the grease allows a hydraulic lock, so no debris, water, or sewage can get in the gripping system. So therefore, you never have to take this head apart and clean anything if you just follow simple instructions.
Carrie from Hanson.